Yay! Babies learn Spanish! Hola amigos y amigas, welcome and bienvenidos. My name is Arrie Starrie. I'm so happy to see you today. Wow, it's so beautiful out today. You know what we should do? We should go on an adventure. Would you like to go on an adventure with me? Great! Fantastico! Let's go! Whoa! Let's start with some basic words. I is yo. Tú is you. Great job. ¡Qué bien! Let's review. Vamos a repasar. I is yo. Tú is you. Where should we go? Let's go to the park. Or parque. Park. Parque. Park. Parque. Let's go, amigos y amigas. Let's go to the park. Hi, friends. Hola, amigo y amiga. Hi, Arrie. These are my friends. Mi amigo Gabriel y mi amiga Camila. My friend Gabriel is a boy. And my friend Camila is a girl. Boy is niño. And girl is niña. Yay! Fantastico! Hola! Do you want to go play with the ball? Or pelota? Yes! Sí! I would love to play with la pelota! ¿Puedo tener esa pelota, por favor? Can I have that ball, please? Sí! ¿Puedes tener la pelota? Yes! You can have the ball! Thank you! Gracias! Tenemos la pelota roja. Can you say pelota? Pelota. 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 Can you bounce the ball with me? Say bounce. Mira, la pelota is going to the right or derecha. Now it's going to the left or izquierda. Derecha and izquierda. Wow, that was so much fun! Thanks for coming on this aventura with me today, amigos y amigas. I'll see you next time. Hasta la próxima. Bye. Adios. Thanks for watching.